Is your car battery giving you trouble? Tired of unexpected breakdowns? It's time to take control of your vehicle's health with the KONNWEI KW208 12V car battery tester. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Weekly Tools. If you're like me, you're always looking for ways to keep your car running smoothly. One of the most important things you can do to ensure your car's health is keeping an eye on your battery. And today, I'm going to show you a game-changing tool for doing just that. The KONNWEI KW208 12V car battery tester. Let's dive into it. KONNWEI KW208 packaging. Before we get into testing, let's take a look at what you get when you order the KONNWEI KW208. Inside the box, you'll find the battery tester itself. And let me tell you, it's a lot more advanced than it looks at first glance. It's got a robust build that's both lightweight and durable. You also get 2 cable clamps, a red one for the positive terminal and a black one for the negative terminal. These clamps are designed for a solid, reliable connection, which is crucial for accurate readings. KONNWEI KW208 unboxing. Opening the box, you'll notice it's all very neatly packed. There's no complicated setup. The tester itself has a clear digital screen that displays all the data you need. And that's what I love about this device. It's easy to use right out of the box. There are no apps, no Bluetooth connections, no complicated setup. It's a plug-and-play solution for anyone who wants to test their car battery. Using the KONNWEI KW208 is super straightforward. All you have to do is connect the red clamp to the positive terminal of your car's battery. That's the one with the plus symbol, plus, and the black clamp to the negative terminal, marked with a minus sign. Once that's done, the tester will power on automatically. It's got an easy-to-read LCD screen that gives you immediate results on your battery's health. Check this out. Once you connect the clamps, the KONNWEI KW208 fires up and instantly starts analyzing your battery. Within a few seconds, you'll see the diagnostic results displayed on the screen. It'll show you several key metrics like the battery voltage, condition, and whether or not your alternator and charging system are working properly. This is seriously a game changer for anyone who wants to avoid unexpected battery failures. Let's talk about what those results mean. When the test is complete, the screen will show you whether your battery is in good condition, weak, or needs replacement. If the test results are green, that means your battery is good to go. Your car's electrical system is working as it should. But if the reading turns yellow or red, you know it's time to get a second opinion or start planning for a replacement. For example, if you get a yellow reading, that's an indication that your battery is still working, but it's weaker than it should be. It might still work for a while, but it's not going to last long, and you should definitely monitor it or get it tested at a shop. A red reading, on the other hand, is a major warning. Your battery's in bad shape, and it could fail at any moment. This could save you from getting stuck somewhere with a dead battery, which is an absolute lifesaver. Now, what I really like about the KONNWEI KW208 is its versatility. It doesn't just work on cars. This tester is great for any 12V lead-acid battery. So, if you've got a motorcycle, an RV, a boat, or even an ATV, you can use this tester to keep tabs on all of them. I've tested it on a few different vehicles, and it's been spot on every time. Alright, that wraps up today's review of the KONNWEI KW208 12V car battery tester. If you want to grab one for yourself, check out the link in the description below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car tips and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.